One of the easiest ways to distribute a document is simply to write it out a form that you'd like the students to complete, and you can share it with so that anyone at all can view the document. And so you'd simply select advanced, change this so anyone with the link can view, and that's it. Now you can send this link out to your students. I'll switch to an incognito window so I can see it as a guest. And now, if a guest were to log in and see this, they can't edit it, they can't change the assignment that they've been given. If they want to replace this content and fill it out, they need to make a copy. I'm not currently logged in anywhere, but if your students were logged in, they would just be able to select make a copy. There we go. I switched accounts, and now I can actually say make a copy, and then you save it to where you want. And we'll work to instruct the students to make sure that they save it inside a designated folder, perhaps a folder you've already shared with them that they should save all of their assignments in. And they can also rename it as well at that time.